Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert large Excel file to PDF. So firstly open Excel. So we can see this is the large file. To convert into PDF, click on File. Now here click on Save As, click on Browse, and here guys give any name and Save As type. Select here PDF. This one, make sure here you have to select PDF, then click on Save. Oh, we can see now we have this PDF. To print it, click here and you can print it. So this is the way guys. Just you have to open your PDF file. Just you have to open your PDF file. Then click on File, Save As, Browse, and here select PDF. Then save it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.